How to make a follow-up for a submitted bid? Use the left panel of the welcome screen to open the load board and click on the Find Loads subtab. Then proceed to the Quoted Loads tab. Once you click on it, you will see all the necessary information regarding your load. To see more details, click on the reference number. There will be displayed everything from the destination, vehicle type, and carrier company name to its cost, mileage, and delivery time. To make a follow-up, move to the Chat tab in the right part of the screen and just send a message. Another way to do it is to get back to the welcome screen. Click on the Connections tab in the left panel and choose the Customers subtab. Then just use the search box by your customer name. Click on the Details tab on the right and get your customer's contacts to get in touch. Let us know if you have any further questions or issues by texting our support. Enjoy IVIA!